Hey plant lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that'll change your kitchen game forever, growing fresh herbs indoors, no matter the season. I'll walk you through everything from choosing the right varieties to harvesting a bounty that lasts all year. Stick around to the end for a quick tip that'll keep your herb garden thriving, even when the weather outside is less than ideal. If you love cooking, you know nothing beats the flavor of herbs plucked straight from the garden. The good news is you don't need a backyard or a sunny balcony to enjoy that freshness. With a few simple supplies and a bit of know-how, you can set up a compact indoor herb garden that produces year-round. Let's get started. Choosing the right herbs for indoor growing. Pick herbs that tolerate lower light and can handle the indoor temperature range. Some of the best choices are basil, parsley, chives, mint, thyme, oregano, and cilantro. These varieties are forgiving for beginners and will keep producing leaves even in less than perfect conditions. Gathering your materials, you'll need a few basic items: a set of small to medium-sized pots with drainage holes, a high-quality potting mix formulated for herbs or vegetables, a tray to catch excess water, a watering can with a narrow spout, and a light source. A sunny south-facing window works, but a grow light is a game-changer, especially during the shorter days of winter. Setting up the growing area, place your pots on a stable surface near the light source. If you're using a window, make sure the plants receive at least 6 hours of indirect sunlight each day. For a grow light, position it about 12 inches above the foliage and run it for 12 to 14 hours daily. This mimics the long daylight hours of summer and encourages vigorous growth. Planting the herbs, fill each pot with potting mix, leaving about an inch of space at the top. Plant your herbs at the same depth they were in their original containers, gently firming the soil around the roots. Water lightly to settle the mix, being careful not to overwater herbs. Prefer the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Watering and feeding. The key to healthy indoor herbs is consistent moisture, without soggy roots. Check the top inch of soil. If it feels dry to the touch, give the plant a thorough watering until water drains from the bottom. During the growing season, feed your herbs once a month with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. In the winter months, you can reduce feeding to once every 6 to 8 weeks. Pruning and harvesting. Regular pruning encourages bushier growth and prevents the plants from flowering, which can make the leaves bitter. Snip off the top 1/3 of each stem, cutting just above a leaf node. Harvest in the morning when the oils are most concentrated for the best flavor. You can use the cuttings fresh or dry them for later use. Common problems and solutions. If you notice yellowing leaves, it may be a sign of overwatering or poor drainage. Let the soil dry out more between waterings and ensure excess water can escape the pot. Leggy, stretched stems indicate insufficient light. Move the plant closer to the window or lower the grow light. Pests like aphids or spider mites can be treated with a gentle spray of soapy water or neem oil. Maintaining year-round production. To keep the harvest flowing, practice succession planting. Every few weeks, start a new batch of seeds or seedlings so you always have fresh growth ready to replace older plants. Rotate the pots occasionally to give each side equal light exposure, and clean any debris from the leaves to keep the plants healthy. There you have it, a complete guide to growing herbs indoors all year long. With the right herbs, proper lighting, and a little care, you'll never run out of fresh flavor for your meals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more indoor gardening tips, and let us know in the comments which herb you're most excited to grow. Thanks for watching, and happy harvesting!